The candle that lit another, a life-changing motivational story. In a small village nestled between the hills, there lived a humble candlemaker named Akira. Akira was known for his kindness, and his candles, which were simple yet beautifully crafted, provided warmth and light to the entire village. His little shop, with its soft, flickering glow, had become a symbol of hope, especially during the cold winter months when the nights seemed endless and dark. One evening, a young woman named Hana came into Akira's shop. Her face was weary, and her eyes reflected deep sadness that weighed heavily on her heart. She had just faced the loss of a loved one and was struggling to see any light in her life. As she entered, she was drawn to the glow of the candles that lined the shelves, each one burning brightly in the darkness of the room. "Good evening," Akira greeted her with a warm smile. "How can I help you?" Hana looked up, surprised by his kindness. "I've lost something precious," she said softly, "and no matter how hard I try, I can't seem to find my way out of this darkness." Akira listened to her quietly and then, without a word, handed her a candle from the shelf. It was unlike any other candle she had seen before. It had a soft, golden glow and a warmth that felt comforting to the touch. "This candle," Akira said, "is special, but its true power will not be fully realized until it is lit by another candle." Hana, confused, looked at him and asked, "What do you mean?" Akira gently placed the candle in Hana's hand and then walked over to a nearby table where a larger candle was burning brightly. He lit the smaller candle with it, and as the flame spread, he said, "A candle doesn't lose its light when it's light another. In fact, the act of sharing light makes the world brighter. So too, in life, when we share our warmth, our love, and our hope with others, we do not diminish ourselves. Instead, we become part of a greater light." Hana stared at the candle, the flame dancing in the soft evening air. The warmth it provided spread to her heart, and for the first time in a long while, she felt a glimmer of hope. "I see now," she said, her voice trembling slightly. "By sharing our light with others, we make the world brighter, even in the darkest times." Akira smiled gently. "Exactly. Your light can help others find their way out of the darkness, just as the light of others can help you in your own struggles. No matter how small the flame, it always has the power to spark something greater." From that day on, Hana made it her mission to share the light she had found with those who were lost or in pain, whether through a kind word, a helping hand, or simply listening to someone who needed to be heard. She carried her light with her and passed it on to others. And as she did, she realized something profound. Her own light grew brighter as she gave it away. The more she helped others, the more peace and joy filled her heart. In the end, Hana discovered that it wasn't the candle that brought the light, but the act of lighting others along the way.